Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair system needs. Today we're doing another review. I love a good review of a hair system. So today we're reviewing Lavivid. So this is the Lavivid Helios. It's a full Swiss lace 90% density hair unit. So I'm going to be doing this on an older gentleman. So let me just show you the hair system itself. So 80% grey, and if we just look at the front, so yeah, quite realistic look, and as you can see the base on here, full French Swiss lace. So I'm just going to be using tape around perimeter, and I'm going to actually be going for multiple hairstyles today because the person today basically said I can use them as a crash test dummy. So multiple haircuts, go for longer and go shorter and shorter and shorter, and we'll see what we end up with. But as usual, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Really appreciated. All those subscribes will really help me keep pushing more on my channel. So let's get to it.
Christ almighty. God dear me, done a lot different.
Did it well different.
Yeah. Bloody hell. Christ. Look at that, I've got hair. It feels like hair at all.
And there you go. Another hair system done. I must admit, I've got to thank him quite a lot because he was my guinea pig and he wasn't really up for the hair system initially, but I talked him into it and he was actually really impressed with the hair system in the end. Got to do a few different styles, I got to play with it, done a little bit longer and cut it down to quite short. Again, yeah, there's different styles. If I was doing it properly for someone, I would have done more of a style that they wanted, but because he was that guinea pig, he allowed me just to play with the hair system. So, loads of fun. Brilliant hair system by Lavivid. So it's been really fun doing this video. I'm looking forward to cutting in loads more hair systems. There'll be loads more content on the way. And as always, thanks for watching. Spartan V out.